Sarah is learning MS Paint in her school. Let us explain to Sarah the View tab and the icons within it, so that she can change the way the image is displayed and make changes in her drawing. The View tab has tools that are used to change the viewing size of the pictures in the drawing area. It also has commands that are used to show or hide parts of the paint window. The first group in the View tab is Zoom group. It has 3 options related to the view size of the picture. Zoom in option, which is used to increase the image view size. Zoom in tool has an image of magnifier with a plus sign. Zoom out option, which is used to decrease the image view size. Zoom out tools has an image of a magnifier with a minus sign. And 100% option, this tool when clicked can take the image back to the normal view size from any zoomed state. Please note that these options only change the view size of the image and not the original size of the image.
Is the zoom option not similar to the magnifier option in Home tab?
No, they are not the same. Let me explain to you the difference between the zoom option in the View tab and the magnifier option in the Home tab. Magnifier tool gives us a selection rectangle which we can focus on part of the image. It magnifies the entire image but keeps the selection in focus. Whereas the zoom in and zoom out options increase or decrease the view size of the picture without any focus area. The second group in View tab is Show or Hide group. The tools in this group gives control over showing or hiding. Rulers, grid lines and status in the paint window. Rulers are used to measure the dimensions of the image. Grid lines are used to align the objects in an image. The status bar option is used to show or hide the status bar in the paint window. The last group in View tab is the Display group, which has 2 tools. Full Screen tool, which is used to display the image in the full screen mode. Second tool is Thumbnail. By default, when an image is zoomed in, the thumbnail option is enabled. This tool, when clicked, opens a small thumbnail window which displays the full view of the magnified image. We will cover all the View tab groups in detail in the coming videos. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel Head Start Learning.